visit when you will visit this URL and your software will come. Then you just have to log in from here. The default ID password is admin, and I will give you the ID password. So after login, this is the dashboard, and let me show you the settings and other things first. Then we will go for this menu where you can add other businesses, or other businesses can subscribe to your POS system. Okay, so we will go to this later. Just first check this. So at home, this is a dashboard. So this dashboard is clear. You can see that all the overview here. I have set the currency to Thai. That's why the currency is Thailand. Okay, and the last 30 days sale, current financial years, etc, etc reports will be shown here. You can show the reports at a glance here. For details report, there is report section, and you can get details reports here. Okay, then the user management. So here are the users, and you can add users like cashier or salesman, etc. You can see a role option here. There is a role named cashier, and another role is admin. Admin has all the access and all the privileges, and for cashier role you can edit this role. This cashier, what this cashier can do or cannot do, you can decide them here. You can also add some custom roles. Just add the role name here, for example salesman, and play with all these options. These options are the privileges or the permissions, what they can do. For example, if we can select user, this user is for this option. So the salesman will be able to view user, add user, edit user, delete user. Just enable this, and the user salesman role will have the access. Then we can go for POS, view POS, add POS sale, edit POS sale, delete POS sale. Okay, we are not going to give the permission to the salesman to delete POS sale or edit POS sale. So you can uncheck this or leave them unchecked, and the salesman or the specific role will have only these permissions. Once you have added the role, then go to the user and add new user. For example, you will add a salesman. So this way you can add users. For example, you had added a role named salesman. So select the role from here, and username, password, and first name, last name, etc. Give all these details, and you can just create a user. Okay, so then we will go for contacts menu. Here are the suppliers, all the suppliers from whom you purchase your products will be listed here. You can add them, delete them, edit them from this option. Here are the customers, every customers you create. For example, from the POS menu, during the sale we can sell as a walk-in customer, guest customer, or we can add a customer and sell to him with individual name and business phone number. So the customers will be listed here, and customer groups, you can add customer groups here. For example, if you want to add a specific type of customers whom you will provide discounts, then you can create a group and keep some customers under that group. So whenever they will buy, for example, if they buy for 1000 Thailand dollar, then he will get a 10% discount, like that. And import contacts, if you have already a lot of customers or a lot of suppliers, then you can import them with a excel file. Contact type is required, and then business name is required. So just fill up the required field, download the excel template here, see the template, and fill up the template, not a template, example file. Fill up your file following the example, and just upload that. That will work fine. Okay, then the product option. So list products. Here you can list all the products, you can see all the products you have added. You can download excel, you can download your products in excel file. And stock report, you will see stock report, current stock value by purchase price, current stock unit selling price, etc. All the details you can see here. And now for the add product option, how you will add a product. So you have to go to the add product, and product name, SKU, you can add the barcode or SKU here. SKU is the barcode actually. And barcode type, select any of this, no problem. Category, product category. So this is the product category option. You have to add product categories first from here, and you will be able to select category during adding a product in this section. Business location, for example, in which outlet or in which business location the stock is available, and in which outlet you are selling this, you will select that. You can select multiple if you want. Category, subcategory, then manage stock, yes. Product description, product image, enable product description, IMEI. If you are selling electric product, then you can enable this option. During when you will sell this, if you enable this option, then when you will go to the POS and will try to sell a mobile or try to sell an item what have a IMEI number, then you have to add the item in POS system, and the IMEI field will appear here, and you can input the IMEI. So the IMEI will be listed on the invoice or in your sales. So if sometimes a customer returns to your shop, then you can track that phone or track that thing. Okay, so add new product image, and IMEI details, product weight. You can set your default weight option from settings. Okay, we will see that later. Applicable tax, so you can select a task status. You have to set task rates here. Then you can select 7. You said you have to set 7% tax, so set the tax 7% tax here, and then just select the applicable task 7% here. Okay, so price excluding task, price including tax, and the default margin is 15%. So including tax, including task, excluding tax, set the prices here. This is selling price, and this is your purchase price. The profit will be calculated with these prices. And you can also set a product image here, because if your product type is a variable product, then you can add variations and choose different images for different variations. So you have added a product, and you have to put the quantity, how much product you have. So just let me add a simple product, and the unit is pieces. You can also add more units, no problem. Piece or any unit, no problem. Then category and subcategory, we want select that alert quantity. When the quantity is 5 in stock, then it will alert you to your email. Description and image I will leave them for right now. EMI option I have enabled, and weight is for example 500 gram. Not for selling, you can tick or untick this option. Applicable task, I will go for a single product. Okay, so my product cost is excluding task is 100, including task is 107, and selling price is 133. Okay, I will sell it for 150, so my profit margin is 40.19. Save and add opening stock. Now we have to set how many pieces we have in our stock. We have 50 pieces. Okay, so this is the total amount, and save. Now we have added the product. You can see it now in POS. So when you will sell it, you have to set the IMEI number, and if you disable the IMEI option, then this option won't appear here. Directly the product will be added directly to the POS terminal. And also you can scan barcode here. Just scan and your products will be added to this list. So, and I have shown you how to add barcodes during adding the products. Okay, so this is the product option, add product, update price. If you want to update your product price, then you can import it with a Excel file in bulk. Print labels, you can print your barcodes according to your paper size. Then you here are the variations. For example, if you have more variations, for example a oil, 500 ml oil, 100 ml oil, etc., you can add them. Then import products, you can, if you have a lot of products, then you can import them in bulk with this option. Just you have to download and make an Excel file, then you can choose the file and submit, then you can import in bulk. Import opening stock, same thing here, import with Excel file. Selling price group, different price group for different customers. If you have a as I said in the customer groups here, same option, you can go to add and explore the options. Then the video is being so long, so that's why I am just hurrying up. If you have any queries, then you are feel free to ask me. Okay, then import selling price units, so you can set the units here, pieces or etc. Categories, these are the categories of your products. Brands, you can add brands here. And warranties, if your product is electric, so you will need this option. Purchases, so if you have added all your products in your POS software, now you have to purchase those products from your supplier, right? So you will add purchase here, select your supplier, reference nom, date, and then just add the products what you are purchasing. For example, simple product, I am purchasing 500 pieces and the cost is 107, so I will add this purchase and save it. So when you do a purchase or initiate a purchase of 500 quantity, this 500 quantity will be added to this product as a stock. 500 quantity will be added to this product, to the inventory. Automatically it will be added to the inventory. You don't have to edit the inventory again from the product option. Okay, list purchase return, if you have purchased and returned, then you can add a purchase return here. Then all the sales option, all sales, you can see all the sales. Add sale, you can sell an item from here, also from the POS terminal. List POS all the POS sales will be generated here. This is the POS terminal, directly POS terminal. And add draft, you can add draft sales, add quotation, list quotation, you can add a quotation here. You can see all the quotations on list quotation, list sale return. If you have any returns, then you can see them. Shipments and discounts. Then import sales, you can import the sales, bulk sales with Excel file. Stock transfer, for example, you have multiple business locations and multiple business outlets, then you can transfer your stock from one to another. Stock adjustment, if you have lost or burned your product, then you can adjust your stock. Remember one thing, that you cannot edit product quantity easily. Product quantity will be automatically added when you list purchase. Product or quantity will automatically deducted when you make a sale. And after them, if you need to adjust those quantities, then you can do them from there. Stock adjustment, sorry. Expenses, you can list, see all the expenses, add expenses of your business, so it will directly hit to the profit. And report section, profit loss report, so you can see the total accounting section here. Gross profit, net profit is equal to this. And profit by category, profit by brand, profit by location, profit by invoice, profit by date, profit by customer, profit by day, everything is available here. And also other everything, every report is available here. Any report you need. Activity log, who logged into your panel, who did what, you can see everything here. And administrative backup, you can take backups. And to enable auto backup, you must set up cron job with this command. I will set up this cron job for you. Let me do it for 1 day in a week, so I will do that for you, no problem. And modules, there is nothing to do. Notification templates, send laser, customer notification on new sale, payment received, you can set these templates. This is reminder that okay, so you can edit them. Then go to the settings. Let's go to settings. From business setting, you can edit your business name, start date, default percentage, tax, default tax, then product recs, enable raw, etc. Contact details, sale. In the sale, default sale discount, you can set default commission agent sales, you can set commission for sales agent, payment link, you can enable online payment here. And these are the settings for POS terminal. These are the short keys for the POS terminal, faster checkout experience. You can edit or change these keys as per your requirements. And POS settings, disable multiple pay, disable draft, disable expense checkout. You can just check these things and enable or disable whatever you want. Waiting scale, barcode settings. Here are the barcode settings, barcode prefix, suffix, etc. And purchases, I think just go around and check all the settings what you can do from here. You can almost do everything from this option. You can change theme color, prefix and suffix, pause order. Email setting, for example, prefix purchase. For the purchases, purchase numbers, there will be PO on the first. And for business location, there will be BL 00122 or BL Thailand, for example, a city outlet name. So these are the default settings. Then email settings, SMTP, mail driver is currently, I have set the mail driver to local host, no worries, PHP mailer. so you don't need to use the SMTP username host. You don't need them. The mail will automatically go with PHP mailer. Then SMS settings, you can set Nexmo or Twilio API integration, integrate them just with the URL and the just setting up the API details. You have to log into Twilio, and you can set the Twilio. You have to set the Twilio SID, Twilio access token, and from number. So you just save this, and your customer will get SMS on their purchases. Reward point settings, you can enable or disable rewards, point system and redemption system. Modules, you can enable accounting or disable service stuff and tables, etc., all type of this. And custom levels are for custom fields for product, custom fields for purchase, custom contact level, custom fields for contact level. Custom payments, you can add more 7 custom payments here, payment methods here. Product custom fields, okay, and field type, etc. You can set. If you need more fields, then you can add them here. So these are the basic settings. Business locations, business invoices, you can add or edit or delete business locations of your POS of your business. Invoice settings, you can edit the invoice appearance and etc. Also barcode settings, you can add new settings for barcode. For example, what will be the barcode size, how it will appear on the sticker, etc. Receipt printers, here you can add the printers of receipt printer. The receipt, their receipt will be printed after a successful sale. So you can set the receipt printer here. Tax rates, you can set tax rates here. For example, 7% tax, then sub tax. So you can add the tax groups here and add your tax rates here. We can add the rate here. So 7% tax, 7% tax, and tax rate is percent is 7. Okay, so save. And now you can add the text group as tax group, tax or text, whatever it is.